Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today, we're looking at the 380, the Polaris 380, and the complete rebuild kit for the 380. The rebuild kit is pretty aggressive. It comes with virtually everything but the frame in the cleaner. The one we're looking at today is the black one. So you can actually, we're going to turn this thing black or show you all the parts to convert this thing into a black cleaner. So pretty much what it's going to do is, it even says on here, it's recommended for dark bottom pools only. So there's a lot of black surfaces out there and darker blues and stuff like that. So this thing doesn't stick out like a sore thumb in the bottom of your pool. There's a part for the all white rebuild kit, and that's in another video of ours, and we'll tag that here in the video when you post this, so you can actually click that and then see what's going on. Well, this is overwhelming. There's stuff everywhere. All right. Yep, there's that. All right, let's start with the easy stuff. You have your upper housing and your lower housing. Literally, this is going to replace the entire body of your cleaner. It's going to turn it black. It's kind of cool, actually. Yeah, so upper and lower body. The frame's on the inside. That's what holds all the good stuff together. Like, that's where you screw all the good stuff, and like all the parts get screwed in there. The drive shafts hook through the frame, all kind of fun stuff. This guy is actually the part that goes right in here. So this is where your hose attaches to. So this comes in one of these, turns this thing black. The wheels are nice because it attaches the wheels, like the rubber part, to the hubcap. So then you don't have to install it. But it comes with the black versions of the C10s. So that's kind of nice. Turns your tires black, your wheels black. Pretty much everything's going to be turning black on this bad boy. And those are the C13s is the part number on these. C13. You got your new float that goes in the back of the cleaner, turns that black. So literally everything we see here, hose included, we're turning this cleaner black. Like, you're not going to see it if you have a black pool. It's kind of neat. I'm pretty sure that they also make a black hose for this type of cleaner. So like the entire hose that goes back to your the side of the pool wall is a black one. So comes with a new backup valve. The Acorn is what a lot of people like to call it. This guy is also black. So this is huge. I mean, this thing alone is like anywhere between $50 and $100. So this comes inside the gear or inside the rebuild kit. But ultimately, you get a new bag, which is great. Pretty sure this is the Velcro or zipper. Yep, Velcro only. So it comes with the Velcro bag. A nice upgrade is buy the zipper bag because those are a lot better. It goes zip, zip, zip. Those are easier to access. Like the white one here. So here's a white one. So the white one comes standard as a zipper. So it's kind of nice, easy to access all your debris that gets inside of there. All your internals come in a nice sealed bag for you. I mean, you got the belt kits, you got screws, you got bearings, you have the shafts. I mean, the nuts that go onto everything. It's really nice. Like, comes in a nice, convenient bag. And even a little diagram of where everything goes inside here for you. We're going to post another video of how to do this. So we're going to tackle this thing from front to back, which will be probably an extensive video. Probably we're going to try a couple angles for you probably because obviously this can get a little overwhelming. But yeah, I mean, this thing literally comes with every part for this cleaner. Everything you see that's white, like here's a weight. Everything that you do see is white is on the inside of this cleaner, so you're not going to actually see the white part of it. So when if you're using this for a conversion to a black cleaner, don't worry when you see some of these white parts. But they made the gears black, which is kind of funny. But this also works, the black one also works for the TR35P. That's the trade series cleaner. That automatically comes standard with a 2-year warranty on that cleaner. But however, after that 2 years is up and you have to rebuild your cleaner, we recommend getting this rebuild kit, which the part number on this rebuild kit is 9-100-9035. So this is the black rebuild kit for the 380 pressure cleaner. Pretty cool. It comes with dang near everything but the frame. So if your cleaner's bad, get this. I mean, it's pretty cool. So I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.